everyone, and welcome to my channel. I am Stephanie, and I am an eBay reseller. Have been doing it for many, many years, and I am super excited about a lot of things today. One of the things I'm excited about is that I'm finally opening a DIY box. I'm opening a Thredup DIY box, a designer box. I have several of them. I kept missing them. They came up for sale, and I would be missing them. So I finally have one to open today. I have more than one, but today I'm opening one. I also have two packages from two absolutely wonderful people. I think. I don't know for sure. I think I got some friend mail. And I'm going to open that too. And so that is exciting. How exciting. I just returned from a trip. So if I look a little bit, if my eyes are bagging a little bit, that's why. But I woke up at 2:30 this morning. And I got here and my kitchen is just full of Thredup boxes and other boxes. So I wanted to let you know too, I am going to be doing a drawing I have a Dior giveaway for my 600 subscriber, for hitting the number of 600 subscribers. I'm not doing it today, but I will do it sometime soon, so keep your eyes out for that. And I think that's about it. Let's get opening some of this stuff. One of the things I got home and I opened this box. I order things from Amazon, so it was no big deal. I wasn't sure what it was, but my good friend Pat, who's out here on YouTube as well, I met her out here, and she had, came to Minnesota for the reseller gathering that we had. Myself, Janet, Jamie, and Pat, all of us had a great time. So Pat is so amazing and so sweet. Before I left on my trip, she had sent me some Viking earrings. I mean, sorry, not Viking, Prince earrings. We went and saw Prince, the singer Prince, who passed away. We went and saw his home while they were here, but we didn't get to take the tour. And so she sent me some Prince earrings. The only reason I don't have them out to show them to you is I packed them to take with me to California, so they're still in my suitcase. I certainly thought that was so generous of her, just as it is, but it turns out I come home and I find something else Prince, and I have not taken it out of the bag yet. But I did ask, I saw this writing and I thought, I think that looks like Prince, like the writing of Prince. And so I'm going to open it right now. I asked her if it was her that sent it to me, and she said yes. She sent it for my birthday, which was, by the way, September 23rd. So that's past. But it came, it came while I was gone. So anyway, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, so I'll be wearing this in a video. Oh my, look at this. This is absolutely adorable. Oh my gosh. Prince and the Revolution World Tour 84 to 85. I love Prince. By the way, he's also from Minnesota, So I love Prince. We loved seeing his house. And what a great memory of my trip that I had with those guys. Oh my gosh, it was so much fun. I made friends. When you see someone in person, it's just extra special. So, Pat, thank you so much. Thank you so much. This is way beyond kind, honestly. I can't even believe this. It's a gorgeous shirt. Thank you so much, Pat. I'm going to have Pat's information linked in the description of this video. And I've linked her information before. We started about the same time. And so, yeah, that's really kind. I can't even believe she sent me something for my birthday. And then, okay, the next thing I'm going to open up is, so Jamie, right? AKA the bag lady. She had told me that she was going to send me something. In a prior video, I mentioned how my hair was fried, which, by the way, I did not get all my hair cut off. It's just in a little ponytail back here, but because I woke up at 2:30, Anyway, I had mentioned that my hair was fried, and Jamie said she was going to send me something to help me with it. Well, I got home, and there's a package from Ulta here. I thought she was just going to send me something from her house, but this might be from her. But it's really big, so, I mean, I don't know. I mean, I'm going to open it. But I kind of wonder if this is what this is. But, of course, as I'm opening this, Jamie is also part of that group that was here, and we've become great friends, and I adore her as well. Absolutely adore her. Oh, wow. I bet this is from her. This is way too generous. This is way too generous. Ah, look at this conditioning. Okay, I'm starting to get tears in my eyes right now. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at this. I can't. This is way too much. I'm such a lucky person. I can't even tell you. I'm getting a little teary-eyed here. Look at this. This is what she sent me. Oh, I can't even believe this. She sent me all this stuff for my hair. You know, I probably desperately need it because my hair a lot of it has broken off. I've done way too much with it in the last couple of years. Do I regret it? No, I do not, because I loved having it pink. I would never trade that for the world. If I could get away with doing it again, I would. But I've had so many hair. A lot of my hair has broken off, and I'm trying to thicken it out now. So this is from Jamie. Jamie, I can't believe you. This is. Let's just see. Dear Steph. Here we go. Dear Steph, thank you for being an amazing host when we were in Minnesota. You are an amazing lady, and I'm blessed to be able to call you a friend. Love, Jamie. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Jamie, I'm the lucky one. I can't even believe how generous this is. Thank you so much. I can't wait to try this. I will be trying this today, later on when I wash my hair. Oh my gosh, this is way too generous. Thank you so much. Thank you guys. And thank you, Pat. I treasure you guys. That's not even a strong enough word. I don't know what the word is, but something more than treasure. Okay. All right. Now, thank you again to those two amazing women. And now we're going to open this designer box. It's been months. For a while, I was kind of against opening these boxes. And then I decided I would try it. So here I am. And I hope it's a good one because, you know, I was on kind of a not so great streak for a while there. All right. Make sure this is Rescue Box DIY Designer. Okay, these boxes are $140 plus shipping and tax. You don't pay tax in Minnesota, but plus shipping, it comes out to be about $150. And by the way, if you wanted to get one yourself, you just go to thredup.com/rescues, and that's where they are. By the way, these are very rarely become available. All right, here is the first peek. You know what I'm excited about? There's a box here. I don't know what's in this, but I'm saving that. I'm saving that. Okay. Okay, you ready? I'm ready. I'm super stoked. I'm super excited. Okay, what is this? Oh, and then this is what I get first. But you know what? This is a cute shirt. It's Sandro. It's Sandro brand. You know, it doesn't go for the most, but this one is really pretty, and I think it might be silk. Sandro. Let's see what is the size? What is the material? Doesn't it usually say the size up here? Could be that somebody cut it off. That's pretty normal for that to happen. Okay. Oh, here we go. Okay, we got the size 2. Paris. And it is 100% silk. So let's see. I'm gonna try and get you to be able to look at that. All right. So this is like a leopard. You know, it almost seems like a pajama top. Well, I don't know for sure, but I'll have to do a search on that one. That is a really nice shirt. It's anytime you get something silk, you know, it's nice. So that's good. All right. Next up is, what is it? Vera Wang. And if you're thinking Vera Wang, don't they have that at Kohl's? That is, that's her diffusion brand. That's a cheaper brand. Vera Wang is a designer label. And so this is, gosh, it's really tiny. I think it's a shirt, like a tunic, or if that's a dress, I really don't know. It almost looks like either it's a super small shirt, and it's also silk, I believe, or it's a dress. Let's see. This is a size, dry clean only. Doesn't say the size here. It's 71% silk, 22% nylon, 7% elastane. I don't know what this. Oh, here's the size. Here's the size. The tag is so small. I can't. I think it's a size 0. I'll have to get the magnifying glass out and look at that. But it's pretty. It's very nice. So I don't know. I've never tried selling Vera Wang before. All right. Oops. That thing's gotten away from me. Sorry about that. Ooh, I see there's a bag in here. Hervé Leguier. I don't know how you say this. It looks like Hervé Ledger. I think it's Hervé Leger. I don't know. Anyway, it is a size extra small. No surprise there. And it's this dress. And I can already tell you what's wrong with this dress. By the way, the prior two things, I did not see anything wrong. This has a stain on it. I don't know where it went. There are several stains that look like this. You can kind of see that. I can wash this and see if I can get it out. It looks like it might have been a Rent the Runway item. But it's, you know, it's got like these cutouts and stuff. So I'll get a picture of that and see. I'll see if I can wash this out as well. Yeah, I don't know. I've never sold that brand name either. So it seems like they're putting a lot of new names in here that I'm not aware of. Okay, Main Label. Ooh, this is stained. Okay, this is Main Label. What is the size? Main Label Off-White CO Virgil Abloh. I don't know anything about this. It looks like a kind of a shorter sweatshirt, and on the back it says woman. And I'm going to show you the label here in a second. But this has a few stains on it. There we go. All right, where did I see the stain or stains? I saw at least one. Oh, down here. This is where, like someone spilled coffee, I think. Right here. So that's a cute sweatshirt. I don't know that brand name, but it's really good quality. And well, 2013 is the year this came out. I don't know if you saw that on the label. So 2013, I don't know, something. I get the feeling. I mean, this is a nice sweatshirt. So it looks like a good one to me. So okay, 3 items left. You get 7 items in these boxes, and I already got 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 5, number 5. And this also feels like silk. This is, never heard of this name. I can't even read it. It looks like L'Aurore Piana. I don't know. I can't. It's hard to read. I don't know. I don't know that brand name. It's a really pretty white shirt, long sleeve shirt, button down, collared. All the buttons are there. Usually when you get something this color, the problem is going to be a stain, but I don't see any stains on this. Okay, I don't know. Made in Italy. Okay. Again, I don't know much about this. I don't know anything about this brand. It's tiny. It's a little size. I'm gonna go here and see. Oh, it has. I think it's also Rent the Runway. Made in Italy, La Piana, and it's silk. I got a lot of silk here today. It's absolutely beautiful. Like if you could feel this, you know, you'd want everything you own to be in this material. It's very, very nice. I'm gonna open this first. I don't know what this is, but I've never gotten, I don't usually get accessories or watches or stuff, so I don't know what this is, but let's see. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's some glasses. Chanel. I hope it's Chanel. Come on, let it be Chanel. All right. Is it? Oh, what are these? Oh, it's MCM. Oh my gosh. I don't think I'm going to be able to let these. Oh, look at these. Oh, well, I love purple. And they're like a beigey, purpley, kind of a mauve. Oh my heavens. These are gorgeous. MCM sunglasses. I'm going to put my glasses on to see if there's a lot of, that doesn't look like, I don't see any scratches. It doesn't look like they were ever used. They're really nice. They're really, really nice. So let's just see what those are all about. But I like that. Okay, the last thing is a purse. Say a little prayer for me. Here we go. Okay. What is it? Here it is. Front, back, bottom. I still don't know the brand though. It doesn't. Oh, it's Henri Bendel. Henri Bendel. And I think it's a little odd that this purse is in here because it doesn't have any faults that I can see. It's just, look at the inside. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's got that calf hair up here, up above. That calf hair, I guess you'd call that calf hair. Ah, I see. So it was all calf hair, and the calf hair part has worn off, I think. Or I don't know if that's how it's supposed to be or not. I'll have to look up one like this. But it's like that over here too. So yeah, I wouldn't have even known it. It looks like in perfect condition to me. So it's really a pretty purse. Like, it's very, very pretty. So I have to say this box has kind of redeemed itself. I mean, the clothing, I don't know. I can't say right now. But I am going to look all these up. And I might be posting it without putting prices on here. But if you are interested in any of these items, they will all be for sale except maybe the glasses. So let me know your thoughts, and thank you so much, and stay tuned for more. I'll be doing more videos with the designer, and of course I'll be doing my 600 subscriber drawing soon, the Dior item. And thank you so much for following along, and thank you again to Jamie and to Pat. I can't believe it. It was so generous. Thank you so much. Okay, bye-bye.